today? How are you today? You're fine, right? Yeah, I am fine. Okay, today in basic science, we are going to be learning about water. We are going to be learning about water. Are we ready? We are going to know the meaning of water and its uses, the basic properties of water, and how we can see water in different forms. Okay, so we are going to be learning about water today. And how do we spell water? We spell water as W-A-T-E-R. Water. Water is spelled W-A-T-E-R. Water. Okay, good. Now let's go to the meaning of water. What do we mean by water? Water is a clear liquid substance. It's a what? Clear liquid substance that we can find in rivers, oceans, lakes, and our taps at home. Water is a clear liquid substance. Water is a what? Water is a clear liquid substance. Okay, this is called water. We have seen water before, right? Yes, we have. This is called water, and water is a clear liquid substance. Okay, water is a what? Water is a clear liquid substance. Okay, and what do we use water for? What do we use water for? We use water for bathing. We use water for what? Bathing. Okay, when we are bathing, we use water, right? Yes, we do. We apply our soap and use our water to rinse our body. That is right, right? Yes. We use water to rinse our body when we apply soap. So water is used for bathing. Can we bathe without water? No, we can't, right? We bathe with water. What is bathing without water? That is not bathing, right? We bathe with water. So water is used for bathing. Okay? We use water for what? We use water for bathing. And what do we use water for again? We drink water. We do what? We drink water. Water quenches our thirst. When we are thirsty, when we finish playing, we will be thirsty, right? We drink water. We do what? We drink water. When we finish eating, we also do what? We drink water. So water is very important in our lives. Okay, water is what? Water is important in our lives. When we finish eating, when we finish playing, we do what? We drink water. And when we are thirsty, we do what? We drink water. When our throat is dry, we do what? We drink water. Okay, and now what else do we use water for? We use water for washing. We use water for what? Washing. We use water to wash our hands, right? When our hands are dirty, we use water to wash them, right? Yes, we use water to wash our hands when they are dirty. And what do we use water to do next? We use water to wash our clothes. We use water to do what? Wash our clothes when they are dirty. Can you wash your clothes without water? No. We use water to wash our clothes, and we also use water to wash our dirty plates. We use water to wash our dirty plates. Okay? We use water to wash our hands, we use water to wash our clothes, and we use water to wash our plates. We do use water, right, to wash our plates and our clothes and our hands. Yes, we do. We use water to wash. Okay? Yes. And we also use water when we are playing. When we play with water, right? Yes. And we also swim in water. We swim in water. You can play in water and you can also swim in water. Is that right? Yes, we do play with water and we do swim in water. Okay, what do we use water for next? We use water for cooking. We use water for what? Cooking. When mommy cooks our food, she uses water. When mommy makes noodles for us, she uses water. When she makes rice for us, she uses water. So water is used for cooking. Water is used for what? Cooking. When mommy is making our spag, she uses water. So water is used for cooking. Okay? Yes. Good. And what do we use water for? We use water for cooking and we can also use water to water plants and animals. Okay, did we get that? Yes, we did. So water is a clear liquid substance that we find in the rivers, lakes, oceans, and our taps at home. And we use water for cooking, bathing, washing, drinking, and playing. Okay? Good. Now, there are basic properties of water. Water can be colorless. Water is what? Colorless. Okay? Water does not have color. It is pure. Okay? Like we said, water is a clear liquid substance. It is colorless. It doesn't have color. Okay? But when you put water inside a glass or a colored cup, it takes the shape and color of the cup. Okay? Yes. So water is colorless. Water is what? Colorless. Does this water have color? No, it doesn't. It's like invisible. Okay? Water is there, but it's not there. And water is also odorless. Water is what? Also odorless. It doesn't smell. Water doesn't smell. If you perceive water, it doesn't smell. It's just clean and fresh. So water doesn't smell. Did we get that? And water is tasteless. It is what? Tasteless, okay? We just drink water to quench our thirst when our throat is dry or when we finish eating and when we finish playing. We drink water, but it doesn't have taste. Our juice has taste, right? Yes, it does. But water doesn't have taste. So water is like magic. You can't see it, you can't smell it, but you can't also taste it. But it is everywhere around us. Okay? Water is important in our lives. So we have different forms of how water can be. We have the liquid form. We have the word liquid form, meaning it's in liquid, okay? Just like how water is in this swimming pool, it's called liquid, right? Yes. Water can be liquid and water can also be ice. Water can also be what? Ice. This is called ice. And this is also called ice. This is where we skate. Okay? When the lake is frozen, they skate on the ice. And this is also called ice. This ice, we can use it to put in our drinks, our juice, to make it cold. To make it what? Cold. When water is put inside the fridge, it becomes block, okay? becomes block, and it's called ice. It is called what? Ice. So water can be in the form of a liquid, which is this, and also in the form of a ice. It can also be in the form of a ice. Did we get that? Good. And water can also be in the form of a steam. In the form of a steam. This is what we mean by steam. It's evaporating. When you are boiling water, if you look closely, you see smoke coming out. That is called steam. And that is also water. Okay? Water can be in the form of a liquid, correct, and it can also be in the form of a ice, good, and it can also be in the form of a steam. And this steam is when we're boiling water and we look closely, that thing that comes out, which is this over here, it is called the steam. It is called what? The steam. And that can also be water. Okay? We got that right? Good. So the steam goes up into the air, and when it goes up into the air, it's like water, and it's very hot. It is what? Very hot. You can hardly see it, okay? You can hardly see the steam because when it goes up, it disappears, okay? So we said water can be a liquid that we drink, and ice we skate on, or that we use to make our drinks cold. Okay? Did we get that? So what do we use water for? We said water is used for washing, drinking, cooking, bathing, and so on. Okay? So we understand the uses of water and what is water, right? Remember, water is colorless, tasteless, and odorless. Water does not have taste, water does not have smell, and water does not smell. Okay? Good. So now we are going to practice some of our exercise we just did. Can we do that? Yes, we can. So here we have our homework, and we have here one. What is water? Remember in the beginning we said water is what? Good. So you say water is. I know you got that right. Correct. And we have here, what do we use water for? You can tell me what you use water for, right? We use water for, we use water for, we use water for, and we use water for. Good. And does water has color? Water has color? Yes or no? Which is the answer? Does water have color? Good, I know you got it right. Okay, so we said water is a clear liquid substance, and water is important in our lives, right? We learned about water today, and I hope we got something about water. We did, right? Yes. Okay. Very good.